All right, so I was talking to somebody the other day about recording audio, and it reminded me of an article that we had on the Word of Mouth blog, which you can see here. And the name of the article is How to Make the Most of Your Recorded Audio. It's written by Phil, who's one of our Articulate MVPs. If you scroll down, and the article is really good, if you scroll down to it, you'll see he has this link to the Levelator. So I thought I'd show you how the Levelator works. So the first is it's a freeware application. You can go to the website here. And if you notice here, you've got a few download options, so you can download Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then once you download it, you'll have something that's like this. So you've got your Levelator, and it's going to modify your audio, so you can read more about what it does. But essentially, it's going to make, if you have spoken word audio, it's going to make it sound a little better without you having to do much. So I went ahead and created a couple of demo tracks. So we've got track 1 and track 2, and you'll see all I have to do is take the tracks here and then copy them over the Levelator. And what's going to do is make the changes, and you'll notice now that I've got 2 more tracks. I've got this track 1.output, which is the different track. And so you can go ahead and test that yourself. So go ahead and record some audio, and then download the Levelator and see what it does to make your audio sound a bit better.